Jones. And
was that great?
That's good. Oh shit!
My dog's sleeping.
Oh,
he's snoring.
Sleeping.
My dog.
Chilling.
And this ain't even it.
Yeah.
We ain't even.
Cigarette backwards. I hope. Yo, this show shit.
Oh, that's fucked up.
We got you. We got
yeah, I got to. I got to.
Yo, it's the beginning of the tour.
Sleeping? I'm sitting over here like,
yo, he on camera live.
Wait, hold on. Time out. So if you ain't sleeping, it ain't fucked up then. Right?
For recording me.
Why?
I wasn't sleeping. I looked at you.
So it ain't fucked up. Everything's good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, my square was
I bet you when we
cookie. Everything's all good.
After the show, green.
I'm all set right here.
Yo, so how you feel about seeing Mike Posner on Carson Daily before the show? I got him. Yo, Colt. Manager got him. Yeah, I'm about to get him right now, dog.
Right. Official manager footage right there.
Dude is out of Blak Sea. You know what I'm saying? Like, manager kept him up, had him rehearsing. So, you know, he tired, he's sleeping. But he thinking, though, if you look at his hand, look at his hand, he thinking, he was saying, like, yo, I'm gonna have a good show tomorrow. I'm gonna be good, yo, I'm Blak Sea, I'm that nigga, right? We in there, dog, yo. It's me and Cookie Sosa, Wham, you know what I'm saying, Shiz. We doing it again.
See live, what's happening, bro? Tell them where we at.
We are reporting from the Syracuse,
one of the biggest malls
in the U.S.
In the U.S., man.
Cat behind the camera.
You already know it. You already know it.
Motherfuckers don't know. You see how they all walking away from us, yo? We supposed to be thick and settled. This is fucking broke up. Why we the immigrants? Minorities in this motherfucker.
Check 1 2 1 2. Blak Sea and SU 1 2.
Back up. Alright. Everybody that's back up, that's them. Listen.
I back up.
His mic needs to be the highest. When you come on, you're gonna have the mic right.
Let these haters motivated, that's all, that's it. Let these haters motivated, that's all, that's it. Why you eating me, dog? I ain't wanna be shit. I let these haters motivated, that's all, that's it. That's all, that's it. Hey, look. You love that. Me and Stu are locking fingers.
Let's bang it out, you know what I'm saying? Put everything on the stage, don't come back out here with no more energy. Let's kill it out there, you know what I'm saying? Let's piggyback this show, let's do it again. Alright, you ready? Yeah. Alright, amen. Let's go. Get green, let's do it.
Still.
Let's do it.
You wanna give a shout out to
We're gonna do this shit, we're gonna rock this motherfucking show.
Get green. Blak Sea up in the motherfucking building. Chuckle, Stu Cat, Koki Sosa, Wambo, Coordinate Entertainment. What up, B? We getting it right, baby.
Yeah, you got a whole song. No,
I'm not saying they can't, but my shirt is right. How long is this song? My shirt is
his joint. Yeah, you have some time to go change it and take your shirt on.
I know y'all rehearsed it. I watched y'all rehearse it. Hey, you know how much time you got, right?
Let's get excited.
Definitely.
Give us a shout out to Stu.
Yeah, live in Syracuse, New York. Yeah, big time, we doing it. Miami, we doing it. Told you. Opening up for the boy Mike Posner, however you pronounce that last one. All jokes aside, though, we finna do it, man. Got Chucker here, Blak Sea here, Wham here, Koki here, G here, Everett here, Billy here on the one. Jake gonna be on the ones and two. It feel good, man. It's life out here. Got Lil E out here. And we doing it, doing big things. Definitely, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
We're gonna rock this shit. Cuse University, get green up in the motherfucking building.
Blow up this stage tonight. You're gonna find out about somebody new that's banging. Alright?
But we got my man Blak Sea coming up, and then we got Stu Cat, Court Entertainment. Yo, Blak Sea, let's go. What up, SU?
We're gonna show some love right now. I'm gonna hit y'all with an acapella real quick. This is what I tell the haters. I'm the shit, you gon' need a bigger pooper scooper. Flow clean, mopping tracks up like Roto-Rooter. Judge Master, I stay rolling that green up. Stack bundles to my dough like Tower of Pisa. I roll with block hands, hustlers bought bread. For that paper, leave your flesh filled with hot lead. So amazing. Say your grace, I stay spinning rough till I can't feel my face. Ain't gotta open the gates, we blow them things down. Too shit to stand up, sit the fuck down. ABC, yeah, ain't nothing but clowns. 500 Ocho SU, what up now? Crazy. I know you like my style. We know how to make a party get down. Hating on me, bet you feeling me now. Turn the music up loud. Blak Sea's in the house. Drop that. Let me take my hat off for this one. Go. Oh, yeah, yeah. Get green, get green, get green. Yeah, what up, SU? Let's go. All my drinkers, people that get fucked up. Yeah, I'm on my job. This rap shit's easy. Why you acting so hard? 160 on the dash. Off the handy holding, I don't crash. Yeah, and I get high like a motherfucker, high like a motherfucker, high like a motherfucker. Yup, I be sipping. Who can join in this? Who can high in this? Let's go. Pick up, high than a good yeah. In the clubs out of hate, let's get it on, yeah. I'ma get green, let them know we in here. Baggy jeans, big caps, hoodies, and silverware. Round here, touch you kids on the block. Not the boys, not us. These haters full of air, like a bagpipe. I put that on my mother, her glass white. Yeah, wanna play the game, but understand the rules. When the club beat, fix up on play the pool. Hey, dude, they go ahead, play the pool. You don't wanna see you shine, throwing ratchets in your move. Ain't it quick to touch the swag? You can call me a chemist. The way I be working the lab. On the lines, got a box. This is how I work the jet flow. Wet like candy paint, cooking on the Cadillac. Yeah, I'm on my job. This rap shit's easy. Why you acting so hard? 160 on the dash. Open handy, hoping I don't crash. Yeah, and I get high like a motherfucker, high like a motherfucker, high like a motherfucker. Yup, I be sipping, bang, sipping, bang, sipping, bang. Get green, get green. I don't hear shit. I do not hear shit. We all green team with us. This is how we do it. All day, every day, we all green. And just so that you know, we gon' see from the top. It's the G.C.P. Yes, we rock, we are hip-hop best. Wambo, Blak Sea, cloaking competitions. We currently still out getting green. I'm all in, so call it the best, please. That's right, my whole life I rep beans. Throw my 3 times for dedication. Green party, greenhouse administration. Green bud is used up for medication. Green card proves my affiliation. Green card is rolled out for green team. A green day is each day, so get green. I feed up this new shit. Turn up the tunes when you tune in. Green team and get green the movement. I'm signing out, it's Cokie the cool kid. It's all hot from the beat to the drop. Down to the team, green down to the top. See us on top like 12 on the clock. Freeze up, get green, you can see it from the top. See you from the top, we can see you from the top. You looking real small like fleas from the top. Breathe by the cops, got trees on the block. Make the bitches come around, these for the rock. Check it how the shirt, tie all business. Couple green tees turn to a small business. Big got the name on smash, like shit, no check, like empty cash. Got shit with hips, ice cream in the ass. Freestyle with the whip, play with the dash. Rain on the South Shore, but when it's differently. A couple lines that they can't get rid of me. First one to get real when I was 16. Sitting at the fridge, get dirty and some mixing. I don't even shit that's in my pocket when I get green. So Nova full of 16. They want me and see me on the big screen. They broke, and they come over the 60. All the boys going with the pills from the flip me. Fresh on the bird, green out, never switch these. So lock from the beat to the rock. Down to the team, bring down to the socks. See us on top, like 12 on the clock. Freeze up, get real. See you from the top. See you from the top, we can see you from the top. And you looking real small, like fleas from the top. We by the cops, got trees on the block. Nigga bitches come around like fleas for the rock. Lyrical OP, it's obvious I ain't no green. We need more green. I'm at the rock hole, man. Your time's up. Ain't no sense in looking at your watch, smoking. Southside ride to the death of me. Two word get green, that's what we call a recipe. Add a little this, mix a little that. Whip it in the pot, pitch it out, bring the dollars back. If money can take living well, then it's back to the block, all black like a flint cell. Go look at that nigga Fred, go ahead son. You move to have you dripping like shipping down. Roll hard, here we go harder. Massive wheel, set up shop, then we go harder. It's DCP, grinding the profit like this, killing these beats softly. It's all rock from the beat to the rock. Down to the team, bring down to the sides. See us on top like 12 on the clock. Freeze up, get ready. See you from the top. See you from the top. We can see you from the top. We looking real small like fleas from the top. We by the cops, got trees on the block. Make the bitches come around like one more time. It's all locked from the beat to the rock. Down for the team, bring down to the socks. See us on top like 12 on the clock. Freeze up, get ready. See you from the top. See you from the top. We can see you from the top. We looking real small like fleas from the top. Read by the cops. Oh! Oh! Oh!